Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum students. I hope all of you are good and doing well at home. I hope all of you are good and doing well at home. So if you remember that in the previous lecture, we have started the final term session. So today we are going to discuss the topics that are included only in final term. Okay. So please do not confuse that these are the topics that is included in your midterm. Okay. Walaikum assalam. Right? Thank you, Alina. Okay, now this is your overall lecture number 45, and this topic belongs to algebra section, right? Now, next is recap of the previous lecture, means what we have learned in our previous lecture. Number one was division of algebraic expression, if you remember. Next was that next thing that we have discussed was multiplicative inverse, and last topic was law of power of a quotient. Okay. Delaways and Aisha Ijaz, everyone, if you have any questions, you can ask at the end of the lecture, okay? So do not interrupt during the lecture. Now move on to the next topic, the topic that we are going to cover today. Now which topic we are going to cover today is exercise number 9.12. Today we are going to learn how to solve exercise number 9.12, and basically this is the last exercise from chapter number 9, algebraic expression. The topic is brackets, okay, and how will you remove the brackets, okay. Now let's start. So you all know what are brackets and how to remove it. You know everything. So in order to understand the meaning of an algebraic expressions, okay, if you're talking about the algebraic expression and we want to understand the meaning of a single algebraic expression, sometimes certain parts of the expression are enclosed within the different forms of brackets. Means we will use different types of brackets. The most commonly used brackets are the parenthesis or plain brackets, okay, parenthesis, round brackets or plain brackets. Next is the braces, or you can say the curly bracket. Next, another one is the square bracket. So these are the bracket that you have already used in your arithmetic section as well. Another type of bracket that is used in algebra is this one. Sometimes a bar, okay, what is it called? A bar, or you can say this type of bar, okay. This is a bar, or you can say called vinculum, is placed over an expression, serves like a bracket as well. Okay, you all are familiar with this type of brackets, round bracket, curly bracket, square bracket, but this is a new bracket, right? And this is called a bar, which is placed over the expression, and it is also served like a bracket, or you can say it is a vinculum, right? So there are four types of bracket that we are going to use today. Now, before starting, first of all, you should know how will you remove the bracket in an algebraic expression, okay? How will you remove the brackets in an algebraic expression? So those brackets that are preceded by plus sign, what does it mean? Means if the brackets have plus sign before it, okay? Now look at here. Brackets preceded by plus sign. Preceded means before the bracket, if you have plus sign, it indicate that the part of the expression enclosed is to be added, okay. Therefore the brackets may be removed without changing the signs of the terms included. For example, as you can see here, what they are trying to tell you is that if you have any bracket, just suppose here you have round bracket, and before the bracket, if you have plus sign, just suppose if you talk about this bracket, okay, this is the one bracket, and it's before the bracket you have plus sign. If you talk about this bracket, so here you have plus sign, which is not written here, okay. So if the brackets have plus sign before it, so what you will do, you will remove the bracket without changing the sides of the term inside the bracket. Means you will simply remove the brackets. Nothing you will do it, simply you will remove the bracket without changing the side, just like this. Simply you will write it down in this way: AB plus B, okay, A plus B, then plus A minus B. Simple, you will copy down each and every term inside the bracket without changing its sign, and simply you will remove the bracket. When you will remove simply the bracket if they have plus sign before them. Okay, and then what you will do, you will perform simplification, means you will arrange the like terms together. Just suppose here you have a, so you will write a plus a and then plus b and minus b, right? Now, what will be the answer here? A plus A will be what? A plus A will be 2A, and here you have plus B minus B, so the same variables, different sides, so it will be cancelled together, right? Okay, now next is a removal of brackets if the brackets preceded by minus sign. Now listen to me very carefully. Brackets preceded by minus sign means if the brackets have minus sign before it, so that the part of the expression enclosed therein is to be subtracted, means inside the bracket the expressions which are present, that should be subtracted. That means you will write down the additive inverse of that is to be added. Hence brackets may be removed provided the signs of each of the included term is changed. Now let's take an example. Here you have the bracket, this bracket a plus b. So before this bracket you have plus sign which is not written here, okay? But you will assume that the sign is plus, but before this bracket you have minus sign. So if the bracket has plus sign, so you will not change the sign inside the bracket, but if the bracket has minus sign before the bracket, so you will write it down the additive inverse of the terms that are written in the bracket. So what you will write it down here, simply here you will write it down a plus b, but for this what you will write here, you have a minus b, but here you have minus sign, so you will write it down here the additive inverse of a minus b, which will be a plus b, right? Understand? Okay, after that simply you will arrange it. You will write it down here a minus a plus b plus b. Now here plus a, this one is plus a minus a. So plus minus will be cancelled together, and here you have plus b, so you will write it down here 2b. So answer will be 2b. Okay, I'm going to explain these things with the help of questions as well. So please do not make confused. Next is removal of brackets. Okay, if you have several brackets, in an expression, if you have round bracket, curly bracket, square bracket, so what criteria will you observe? If you have several brackets within one another, so what you will do, it can be removed by the same method. Means in such cases, it is convenient to begin by removing the innermost brackets. Okay, first you will solve the innermost bracket and then the next outer and so on. Okay, if you have several brackets, so first you will solve the inner bracket, then another bracket, and then the outer brackets. Clear? Now we are going to start exercise number 9.12, right? Now look at here in exercise number 9.12. What you have to do in exercise number 9.12, the question is remove the brackets and simplify. Means what you have to do, you have to simplify the given expression and also you have to remove the bracket. Just suppose here you have question number 1, which is, first of all, you should identify how many brackets are there. There are two types of bracket. This is curly bracket and this is round bracket. And according to the criteria of removal bracket, first you will solve the innermost bracket. So how many brackets are here? Two types of bracket, and which brackets are you going to solve first? This one, this round bracket and this round bracket. Okay, so what is the criteria for the removal of bracket? What is the criteria for the removal of bracket? You will remove the bracket by the help of the sign which is placed outside the bracket. So as you can see, this bracket has plus sign. Okay, यहाँ पे आपके पास plus sign है. Okay, so what you will do, you will simply remove the brackets without changing the side of the without changing the sign of the terms. Simply, when you are going to remove this round bracket, what you will do, you are not going to change the sign of this term. Okay, simply you will remove the brackets and you will copy down the given terms just like this. You will write it down here without bracket 5x minus 6y plus 3x plus 4y. Now you are not going to write down the brackets because you are going to open it with the help of this plus sign, or simply you can say plus plus will be plus, so that's why you are not going to change the sign of the terms that is written inside this bracket, right? Now in the next step, what you can see here, inside this bracket you have two types of like terms. This is x, this is x, this is y, and this one is y. So what you will do, you will arrange the like terms together inside the bracket first. Okay, so in the next step I'm going to arrange the like terms together. This one 5x plus 3x, then minus 6y, and then plus 4y. Right? Now, if you can see here, these are the like terms, so they can be added or subtracted together. So 5x plus 3x will be 8x. Now here you have minus 6y plus 4y. So minus plus will be minus. So keep it in your mind. Minus plus will be minus. So you are going to subtract 4 from 6y. What will be the answer? 2y, but minus 2y. Okay. 5x plus 3x will be 8x, but minus plus will be minus. So 4 minus 6 will be 2y. But here you are going to write it down the sign of minus because 6y is greater. Okay. Now move on to the next question. Again from the exercise number 9.12, and the question is same, remove the brackets and simplify. Means you have to remove the brackets, which is the innermost. Okay. Now remove the brackets and simplify. Now here you have the question, and what you have to do in this question, you have to remove the bracket, right? Now look at here. I'm going to solve this question with the help of videos. So you have to tell me, as you all know that what you have to do, you have to tell me is the video is clear or not. Okay. Now please tell me, is it clear? Everyone please write it down in the chat box and just give me a 1 minute so that I hope it is clear now, right? Thank you. Now what we are going to do, we are going to solve this type of questions together. Now how will you solve it? Here you can see how will you maintain the copy first. You should know, all of you should know that 3rd December, first of all you will write down the date here. Okay, just a minute. Now first of all you will write down the date here, then you will write down the exercise number. Okay, then you will write down the question here, which is remove the brackets and simplify. Now this is your question number 2, and in question number 2 what you have to do, first of all you should identify how many brackets are there. How many brackets are there? This curly bracket and this round bracket. So first you are going to remove this round bracket first. Okay, inside the round brackets you have different terms, 4a plus 5b minus c. Here you have a minus 2b plus 5c. Okay, if we talk about this one, okay, if we talk about this bracket, so before this bracket which sign is here? Plus sign, which is not written here. Okay, you will assume the sign is plus. If nothing is written, so you will say the sign is plus. Okay, but before this round bracket the sign is minus. So what does it mean? If the sign bracket has minus sign before it, so you will write down the additive inverse of the terms that is written inside the bracket. Okay, how will you remove the bracket? You will write down the additive inverse of these terms. Just suppose what I'm going to do here, I'm going to write here curly bracket. Okay, I'm not going to remove curly bracket, I'm going to remove this round bracket. Simply I will write 4a, okay, plus 5b minus c. Okay, I'm not going to change the sign here. Ushna, please check your internet connection. Okay, now this minus sign, now inside the bracket you will change a sign here, so it will be minus a. Here you have minus 2b, now it will become plus 2b. Why plus 2b? Because you are removing the brackets here. Okay, this is plus 5c, now it will become minus 5c, and then your curly bracket, right? Means what you will do, if the bracket has minus sign, so you will change the sign of the term that is written inside the bracket when you are going to remove the brackets. Okay, when you will do this, when you are going to remove the bracket, so you will change the sign. Now inside the bracket, as you can see here, this is 4a, 5v minus c minus a plus 2b, 5c. As I can see here, so many like terms here, 4a and minus a, 5b plus 2b minus 5c and minus c. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to arrange the like terms together inside the bracket. Equal to sign, then the curly bracket. Now here you have 4a. So the like term of 4a is this one, minus a. Okay, this is plus 5v. Then this is plus 2b. Okay, now this is minus c and this is minus 5c, curly bracket. Now we are going to solve it. So please tell me, how will you solve it? What will be the answer? Now I'm going to simplify it, so no need to write the brackets here because it has plus sign. So simply 4a minus a, what it will be? 3a. Okay, plus plus will be plus to 5 plus 2b. What will be your answer? 5, 6, 7b. Okay, now look at here. Minus c minus 5c. So minus minus will be plus, means you are going to add it together. 5 plus 1. Here you have 1. So 5 plus 1 will be 6c. But 5 is greater, so answer will be minus 6c. Okay, we will place the sign. Yes, very good, Hamzanju. Minus 6c will be the answer. Okay. Yes, very good. Now look at here. Now move on to this question, this question. Now, yes, Varda Khan, your answer is right. Now look at here, how many brackets are here? This curly bracket and this round bracket, this round bracket. So first we are going to solve this round bracket. Now, for solving this round bracket, what you will do, as you can see here, before this bracket you have 4, and this is basically plus 4. Okay, so plus 4. So what you will do, you are not going to change the sign of this term, right? But what you will do, you are going to multiply this 4 with this 2, and this 4 is also with this 3. Okay, because 4 is going to multiply with both the terms, right? Similarly, here you have minus 3 before this right round bracket. So what you will do, you will change the sign of this term because it has minus sign. And as well as what you will do, simply you will multiply this 3 by x and this 3 by 2 as well. Okay, and then we will remove the brackets. Now look at here, equals to sign, 6 will copied as it is. Okay, then curly bracket. Okay, now we are going to remove the round bracket. And how will we remove the round bracket? By multiplying this bracket with plus 4. So 4 multiplied by 2 will be 8x. Okay, 4 multiplied by 2 will be 8x, this plus sign. And 4 multiplied by 3 will be, 4 multiplied by 3 will be, write down the answer. Yes, 4 multiplied by 3 will be 12. Okay, now here you have minus sign. So when you are going to multiply this diri with x, so 3 multiplied by x will be 3x, right? 3 multiplied by x will be 3x. Now minus minus will be plus. Okay, minus minus will be plus. Now 3 multiplied by 2, we are going to multiply this 3 with the 2 as well. So 3 multiplied by 2 will be 6. Okay, no need to place the round bracket here, simply you will put your curly brackets. Understand? Now, as you can see inside the bracket, you have the terms, you have like term, this x and this x, this 12 and this 6. So in the next step, I am going to arrange the like terms together. 8x minus 3x, okay, then plus 12 plus 6, okay, and then your curly bracket close. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to arrange the, I'm going to solve it. Okay, 8x minus 3x, what will be your answer? Answer will be 8x minus 3x will be, yes, 5x, not 5, 5x. Yes, now plus plus will be plus 2, 12 plus 16, 12 plus 6 will be, 12 plus 6 will be 18, very good. Okay, now what you are going to do, as you can see, now you are going to remove this round bracket, curly bracket, okay. Now we are going to remove this curly bracket. So for the removal of this curly bracket, what is we have outside? We have this plus 6. So if we have plus 6, so no need to change the sign of this one. Okay, but what you will do, you are going to multiply this 6 by 5x, and also you are going to multiply this 6 with 18. Okay, what you are going to do, you are going to multiply this 6 with 5. So 6 multiplied by 5, what it will be? 6 multiplied by 5x. 6 multiplied by 5x, 30x. Okay, 30x. Now you will place the plus sign here. Next is 6 multiplied by 18. Okay, now you are going to multiply this 6 with the 18 as well. No. Yes, 108. Very good. 6 multiplied by 8 will be 108. Clear? Is it clear? Yes, so this is the answer, 30x plus 108. This will be your answer. Clear? Now move on to the next question. Here you have another question, and with the same exercise, first of all, what you will do, as you can see here, no name of the exercise. So first of all, you will write it down here. This is your exercise number 9.1. 12. Okay, now remove the brackets and simplify. So first of all, you should identify how many brackets are there. Two brackets. This is curly bracket, this is round bracket. So first of all, no, you said you will, if you want to place the sign before the bracket that is not written, so you will write it down with pencil, okay? With pencil for your convenience, okay? Okay, you said. Now look at here. Here we are going to remove this innermost bracket, for that is a round bracket, and this round bracket has this minus sign. Okay, so what we will do, we will change the sign of this bracket, means minus will be plus, and simply we will remove the brackets. Now look at here. How I'm going to write it down, equals to 5a, it will remain same. Okay, 5a minus curly bracket minus 3a. Okay, now this minus 1. Okay, I'm going to remove the sign of the brackets, and then this one minus will be plus 6a, and then curly bracket, right? Now inside the bracket, this is now the next curly bracket, you are going to solve this one. So what you will do, you will arrange the like terms together. Here you have 6a and minus 3a. You are not going to touch this 5a, because first you are going to solve the things which is written inside the bracket, right? So what you will do in the next step, you will arrange them. Okay, you will arrange it. How will you write it? 5a minus, now 6a is greater, so first we will write it down, 6a minus 3a minus 1, and then curly bracket close, right? Now we are going to solve it in the next step, 5a minus, okay, now 6a minus 3a, what will be answer? 3a minus 1 and curly bracket. Now here nothing can be solved further, nothing can be simplified further inside the bracket. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove this curly bracket with the help of this minus sign. So this curly bracket has minus sign, so we will change the sign which is written inside. So what will be the answer? 5a, okay, minus 3a, minus will be plus 1. Okay, clear? Now simply you will solve it. 5a and 3a. 5a minus 3a, what will be the answer? 2a plus 1. Okay, can we write 3a here? Can we write 3a here? No. We are not going to add 2a plus 1 because it has no, these are the unlike terms. Okay, there, if you have a here, so you can add them together, but these are unlike terms, so this will be your answer. 2a plus 1 is answer. Very good for the. Now we are moving to the next one. Now this is a little bit difficult and lengthy because there is no variable. Yes, Arina. Now exercise number 9.12, again you will write it down on the red line. You have to mention exercise number on each page. Okay, now this is your question. As you can see here, 3 brackets. How many brackets are here? 3 brackets. Now what 3 brackets are here? This is square bracket, this curly bracket, and this round bracket. So first we are going to solve this one. Okay, we are going to remove this round bracket first. Now how will you remove it? As you can see here, before this you have plus 2. Okay, if you have plus 2, so no need to change the sign of this one. But what you will do, you are going to multiply this 2 with a, and also you are going to multiply this 2 with b as well. So how will you write it down? You will write it down here, 8b, okay, minus square bracket, curly bracket, 6b plus, okay, when you multiply this 2 with a, so what will be the answer? What will be the answer? Answer will be 2a. Answer will be 2a. Now, simply you will write it down here minus, because we are not changing the sign, because before the bracket we have this plus sign. Now, what will be the next one? 2 multiplied by b. So it will be 2b. Yes, very good. Now remove, round bracket has been removed. Now simply you will place here curly bracket minus 3a and then your square bracket. Okay. Now look at here. Inside this curly bracket, you have one like term, this 6b and minus 2b. So what you will do, you will arrange this like terms together. How? You will write it here, 8b minus square bracket, curly bracket, 6b. Okay, first you will write it down here, 6b, then minus 2b, then plus 2a, curly bracket close, minus 3, and then square bracket. Now simply you will solve them together. How? 8b minus square bracket. Now 6b minus 2b. What will be the answer? 6 minus 2, it will be 4b. Okay, now I'm not going to place the bracket here, plus 2a. Okay, now I'm not going to place the bracket here because my bracket has been solved, and before this bracket we have plus sign. Okay, we have plus sign, so no need to write curly bracket here, and simply you will write it down here, minus 3a and then square bracket. Okay, now your curly bracket has been solved. The last remaining bracket is this square bracket. And as you remember the criteria, what is the criteria? If you are going to remove any bracket, so you will remove the bracket with the sign that is written outside the bracket. Outside the bracket, you have minus sign. So what you will do, you will change the sign of the terms inside the bracket. So it will become minus 2a and it will become plus 3a when you are going to remove this bracket. So what you will do, you will write it down here 8b. Okay, now you are not going to multiply this 8 with 4. Why you are not multiplying? Because between them minus sign. Okay, so that's why no need to multiply it. Simply you will open it with the help of minus sign. 8b, it will be minus 4b. Okay, then minus plus will be minus. Then minus minus will be plus 3a. Now, is there anything that you want to arrange? You have terms arranging already arranged here. 8b, 4b, 2a, 3a. So what will be the answer? 8 minus 4b, answer will be 4b. No, 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 very wrong. No. Yes, Yusara, your answer is right. Minus plus will be minus. Okay, minus plus will be minus. So 2 minus 3 will be 1. Okay, but you will place a plus sign here because 3 is greater. So you will write it down here plus. No need to write here 1a, simply write here a. Okay, do not write 1. 2 minus 3 will be 1. Okay, 1a, no need to write to 1. Very good, you said. So answer will be 4b plus a. No need to add it because the terms are different. So this will be your final answer. Okay. First, you will remove the round bracket here and you will open it with the help of this 2, right? Then you will remove the curly bracket by simplifying the things which is written inside the bracket. And here you have plus sign. So no need to change the sign of anything here. Then you will simply remove this square bracket with the help of this minus sign. Right? And what you will do, simply you will change the sign. You are not going to multiply this 8 with the terms inside the bracket because in between 8b and bracket you have minus sign. So you will open the bracket here with the help of this minus sign. Okay, clear? Should we move on to the last question? Okay, thank you. Now look at here. Remove the bracket and simplify the last question. Now here what you have, this bar. Here you have this bar. As you can see, this is the bar. Anything which is written, any bar which is written over the expression, this is called as vinculum. Okay, so this is your vinculum. So if you are going to remove the bracket, so first you will solve this vinculum. Okay, this is the first one which you are going to solve before solving the round brackets. Before solving the round brackets, you will remove this vinculum. Okay, how will you remove this vinculum? By changing the sign, by changing the sign inside it. Okay, by changing the sign inside it, you will remove it. How will you remove it? Just suppose inside this vinculum you have minus sign. So what you will write it down on, because instead of minus you will write plus. A minus curly bracket, A minus round bracket. We are not going to solve the round bracket first. Okay, A minus, it will remain same, variable will remain same, this minus will become plus and this will be 6, round bracket close and curly bracket. Now vinculum has been removed. How will you remove it? By changing the sign inside the bar. Okay, now this is minus plus 6. Now inside the bracket, what you have, two like terms, a and plus c. So obviously first you are going to solve this like terms together. As you can see here, you have plus a. This is basically, look at here. This is basically plus a and this is minus a. Same variables, you have same variables and different sign. So you will get, it will get cancelled. Okay. So this is plus a and minus a. So you will simply cancel it. Understand? Now what will be left here? a minus curly bracket a minus bracket plus 6 and curly bracket. Now this bracket has minus sign. Inside the bracket it has plus sign, and this it has minus sign. So how will you write? Minus plus will be minus, so you will write it here a minus curly bracket a, okay, minus plus will be minus 6 and then curly bracket. Round bracket has been removed. Okay, round bracket has been removed by the help of this minus sign. Now the last step is to remove this curly bracket. Okay, in the last step you have to remove this curly bracket. So how will you remove it? You are going to remove it with the help of this minus sign. Outside the bracket it has minus sign, so what you will do, you will change the sign of the bracket of the things which is written inside. Just suppose it will become a minus a. Okay, now minus minus will be plus 6. Very good, Hamza, Ajwa Muzaffar. Now again you have the same thing, plus a minus a, plus a and minus a. So what you will do, you will cancel them, plus a minus a, and answer will be only 6. No 6a, answer will be 6. Yes, everyone are giving the right answer, so this is the answer. Okay, so this is the way to solve this type of question. First you will remove the vinculum if you have vinculum, then round bracket, then curly bracket, and if you have a square bracket, so you can also remove the square bracket. Understand? Okay, okay, Hamza, you are asking plus 6, so no need to write here plus. Okay, answer is plus 6, no need to write here is plus. Understand? Clear, Hamza? Now I'm going to end the lecture here. I'm going to end your lecture here. Now we are moving towards the slide again. Now we were solving this type of question, so we have solved this question. You can see here, I'm just going to show you here. These questions we have solved in the copy. Means you have learned how to solve this type of question, and this is the way to do your work inside the copy. Do neat and clean work. Okay, understand? As you can see, these are the questions. I'm just showing you over the slides. This was the last question with the bar. This is the bar, right? Now this will be the answer, that is 6. No need to write here plus 6. Now this is the end of the session. Now you have to solve this question. First of all, simplify this one. What you have to do, simply write down the answer. Okay, simply write down the direct, give me the direct answer. Like here you have 6x plus 4y, so you will remove the bracket with the help of sign which is written here, that is plus, and you will remove this bracket with the help of this minus. Okay, so it will be 6x plus 4y minus 2x, and minus minus will be plus 6y. I have shown you how to solve the first step. Now please give me the final answer. Please give me the final answer. And till then, I'm going to take your attendance as well. And please do not go anywhere. Just give me 1 minute so that I can check your answer, and as well as now, Dilavesh, what do you want to ask? Please write it down. Okay, let me check your answer. Yes, your answer is right, 4x plus 10y. Okay, now move on to the next one. Yes, all of you are giving the right answer. Now, the next question is this one. 3a minus, inside the bracket you have 4a plus b. But the minus nahi, plus 10y. Now, what you will do here, simply in the first step, you will write here, how we do our homework. Beta, I have told you in the previous lecture, in lecture number 44, I have told you how to do the work. This work will be done in your geometry copy, algebra copy. Minus 4a. Now minus says it will be minus b. Now please tell me the answer of this one. No, Abdullah Irfan, no. It has minus sign, so minus plus will be minus. Now 3a minus 4a. What will be the answer? 3a minus 4a. You will subtract them together, but 4a is greater. So answer, yes. Answer will be minus a. Okay, 4 is greater, so answer will be minus a minus b. Minus a minus b. Okay, Dilawid, I will unmute you after the end of this session. Okay, now move on to the next one. Now solve this one. This is very simple. Solve this one, everyone. And yes, 1 minute, Dilawis. Okay, now Dilawis, unmute yourself.
मिस आपने जो प्रीवियस क्लास थी आपने होमवर्क में कहा था क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 के 2 पार्ट्स कहे थे और क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 के सो क्वेश्चन 9.11 का क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 और क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 9.10 का था तो हमें ऐसे करना है ना उनके जो पार्ट्स हैं
They are, yes, you have to attempt the questions in the book with the parts. Means there are approximately, again, Dilawis.
यस मिस
Yes, ask again.
मिस ये जो आपने कल होमवर्क दिया था हमें परसों 9.10 and 9.11
Yes, you have to attempt the questions that is mentioned inside the 9.10 and 9.11. Okay?
ओके मिस
Chale, thank you. Now, class, just a minute. Thank you. Yes, the answer is 4a minus 3b. Okay, now last one is this one. Now solve this one. Time is running out. So please try to solve this. 1 minute, 1 minute. I'm going to tell you the answer of this one. How will you solve it? You will write it down here 2a minus 3a, okay, plus 3b, okay. 2a minus 3a plus 3b. Now this 2a minus 3a. So answer will be minus a plus 3b. Sorry, minus plus it will be minus. Okay, minus 3b. Okay, answer will be minus a minus 3b. Okay, now solve this question. Time is running out. In the first step, what you will do? Plus. You will change the sign. Okay. Okay, class, time is running out. So we are going to solve this question in the next session. I would like to say thank you. Okay, I'm going to end the session. You can copy this question and solve it in the rough copy. Please do not solve this question inside the copy. Okay, if you have any questions, please write it down in the chat box.